Welcome to our channel! If you're getting ready for your Memorial Day pool party, you've come to the right place. Today, we're excited to share some tips on how to get your swimming pool ready for the holiday festivities. First things first, let's talk about the essential products you'll need for your pool maintenance. From pool chemicals to cleaning tools, the Pool Store San Diego Lemon Grove has everything you need to keep your pool in top shape. And the best part? We're having a holiday sale on all our products, so you can stock up and save big. Don't forget to check your pool's water levels and pH balance before the party. It's important to make sure your pool water is clean and safe for your guests to enjoy. Our team at the Pool Store San Diego Lemon Grove can help you with water testing and provide expert advice on how to maintain your pool. And when it comes to decorating your pool area for the party, we've got you covered! From pool floats to pool lights, we have a wide selection of accessories to make your pool party a hit. So come on down to the Pool Store San Diego Lemon Grove and shop small for all your pool party needs. Thanks for watching! We hope these tips help you get your swimming pool ready for your Memorial Day pool party. Don't forget to visit the Pool Store San Diego Lemon Grove for our holiday sale on the products you need. Shop small and support local businesses. See you next time!